The Crooked Tower of Sincerity. In the sunny town of Sincerity, there was a rule everyone knew: be honest and fair. The town was famous for its straight, strong buildings, a sign of its honest people. One day, a man named Alistair arrived. Alistair didn't care about being honest. He wanted to build the tallest tower in town, and he wanted to do it his way. Alistair went to the town's building inspector, a man named Bartholomew. "Let me build my tower with cheaper, weaker materials," Alistair whispered, sliding a bag of gold coins across the table. "And this is for you." Bartholomew knew it was wrong, but the gold was shiny. He thought of all the nice things he could buy. So he took the bribe and approved Alistair's crooked plans. As Alistair's tower grew, the people of Sincerity noticed something was wrong. The tower leaned to one side. It wiggled in the wind. It didn't look safe at all. A brave young builder named Ilara saw the danger. She knew the tower would fall and hurt people. She decided she had to do something. Ilara went to the mayor. "Bartholomew took a bribe from Alistair," she said. "The tower is not safe." The mayor was shocked and promised to investigate. The mayor found the bag of gold in Bartholomew's desk. Bartholomew confessed everything. He was so ashamed, he couldn't even look the mayor in the eye. Alistair's crooked tower was taken down, piece by piece. Alistair and Bartholomew had to help rebuild it, this time with the right materials and honest work. The town of Sincerity learned a valuable lesson. Honesty wasn't just a rule, it was the foundation that kept their town strong and safe for everyone.